like you think I need it. How do you all dress for this winter carnival anyway? I mean, I don't want to underdress. But if I could get away with a tank top or something more cash.
Who are you?
The name's Frosty. And yours?
I'm Holly. Holly DeCarlo.
No. Not the Holly DeCarlo. The world famous magician? Sheesh. Imagine that. First person I meet is Holly DeCarlo.
You must be thinking of somebody else. I'm not famous. I'm not a very good magician.
That's not what your friends say.
I don't have any friends. Except for Charles.
One friend is a lot different than no friends, kid. One friend is plenty.
But we always fight. Charles only talks about science. He doesn't believe there's anything in the world that can't be explained.
Like, say, a snowman doing a cartwheel? Or singing Puccini? Or maybe dancing a mean mambo.
Holly. Well, there you are. You
You
locked your best friend in a box and just ran off. Now, how are you going to feel when poor Charles grows up and has to join a support group?
I'm sorry, Mom. I ran out because...
Here, take one of these cans and start spraying.
Mom, this is Frosty.
Yeah, I'm sure he is. Okay,
Okay,
now,
say bye, guys.
The snow and hold the can.
Bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Love you.